We're making
Tiny!
Tiny! Grab your marker. We're going to want to have something to draw with and a piece of paper. And we're going to have our paper up and down. That's called profile. That's called a profile. All right. So we're going to draw Tiny from, what's the show?
Dinosaur Train.
Dinosaur Train. That's right, Dinosaur Train. All right, for Tiny, we're going to start way over on the left at the top half of our paper. And we're going to do a diagonal line, kind of cutting across our paper. Oh, yours might be a little high. There you go. All right, and you're going to bring this over a little more so you can fit yours in the paper. Yep. We're actually going to curve that top. So you just did it. And then we're going to make a bump like an A line. It goes up and curves back down for the top of Tiny's head.
With that piece.
Yep, that's good. Yeah. All right, if it goes off the top, that's okay. Okay? But you want to try to make sure that we fit it on there. So Tiny, we're going to actually do what's like a 3/4 view, which is pretty cool because you can see some of one side and some of the other side. So we're going to put our eyeball right here. So we're going to do a curved line, like a rainbow line, like that. And then go from maybe there to there. Right there. Yep. That's a really good one. Nice job. All right. And then you're going to do another one. So from here to there, go up over top of it. And you're going to go over like that. And then we're going to do a line on the bottom, like a U line, for the bottom of the eye. That's a big eyeball. Nice. And then we're going to put a circle in the middle of that. And then another little circle inside that. And we're going to color the littlest circle in black. Color that right in. Yep. All right, so that's one eye. And we're going to put 2 eyelashes on that eye. Whoop, whoop.
2?
Yep. Really? Really? I didn't make the rules, man. All right, and then on the other side over here, we're going to do a curved line that comes out like that for the other eye. So maybe from there to there. Boom. Perfect. Already looking like Tiny's face. All right, now we're going to make Tiny's mouth. So we're going to start at the back here. And we're going to do a curved line over. Yep. And then that is going to come up underneath to probably like there. So probably like here. We're going to connect. Like that. Yep. And then we're going to put a little curve at the end like this. Good job. All right, this one's going to come out of the eyeball because we're pretending that the back of the head goes through there, and it's going to curve around that part of the mouth. So you're going to probably start there and curve around the mouth. And then that's going to come back almost to the front of the beak. Beak. I don't know why I called it a beak. Nose. And then come right back up underneath like that. Yeah. All right, and we're actually going to do another line like that. So come right down real close, and then all the way back to that corner. Yeah, go all the way back. You're going to come back up to here, up to here. Yep, up and touch right up into that corner, like that. Nice, because that's his mouth being open, or her mouth. I don't remember if Tiny's a girl. All right, now we're going to come down, probably underneath the eyeball there. And we're going to curve down on both sides to make the neck.
Real close.
Real close, yep. And then we're going to go off into the shoulders. And you want to leave enough room for the body. I'm going to have kind of a small body for mine. You have enough space. That's a good size. All right. We're going to curve out on both sides. And then curve down for the shoulder, out to the left. And then back in like this. And then same thing on this side. In and right up to an armpit. Nice job. Now, Tiny starts right here and actually curves out like that, like has a belly. A little round belly. Yep, yours will come maybe out to here, actually. Curve it like that. Yeah, we can color over that. That's good. All right, so we're going to keep that going, and that's going to come over to this side and then stop. Yep, and that's going to be the bottom. And then you're going to skip, and you're going to pick it right back up, and you're going to go up to this side here.
Alright.
Yep, so skip, because that's where we're going to put a leg later. And then come right up to about there. Curvy line up there. Nice job! All right, now let's put the other arm on. A curved line out.
A curved one?
Well, yeah, you're right. It's kind of straight. And then it comes back. But it doesn't touch on this side. Right there, yep. And then we're going to put a bump down like this. And that's because we're going to, that can actually come in and connect. That's going to be the hand.
That I knew you were missing.
And then we're going to go this way and like that. You knew it. You knew it. All right, now Tiny also has a little tail. This one's just a little tail. Right back there next to the hand. Yep. And then we'll do our legs, and our legs will be a curved line down on both sides. We're going to do 2 curved lines down. Yeah, and actually you opened yours up, and we'll put 3 lines like this. Zig-zag line. So it goes up, down, down.
2,
All the way to the next one.
3.
You only want 3 feet. All the way to the next one. 1, 2, 3. Over to that other line. Yep, connect it over to that other line. There. And then we're going to do 2 curved lines on this side. 1, 2. And we're going to do a curved line out and a curved line out. Kind of like you had before. Yep. And then we're going to do up, down, and make those connect.
Down, up.
And what's Tiny missing?
Wings.
Wings! All right. So right off of this arm, we're going to do a backwards C line that comes out like that. Almost like a J, like a backwards J.
My J.
Yeah, you're right. That's a forward J. And then curve it back in like that. All the way to the body. Yep. And then on the other side, it's going to come off the elbow, out, and then down and curve out. And that's because there's kind of a little bump right there in the wing. And then this is going to come right back up to, actually it should come back up to the hand, like that. Beautiful! Now what are we missing? Color! All right, so let's put our marker aside. And we're going to color along. Oh, there's one thing that we're going to make sure that we notice. So just real quick, draw some ovals up here on the nose. Ovals are like circles. They're just a little squished. All right, let's put our markers away and color. And you guys can pick any colors you want, but these were the colors that we picked that were closest to the ones that he is in the show. Are you ready?
See?
She? All right, let's color. And then we'll sign it. Now I'm going to have to sign in my left corner, and you can sign either left or right. Okay, thanks for drawing along with us, guys. We hope you had fun, and we'd love to see what yours looked like. Share and follow us for more. Bye.
Bye.